What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here, out here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Hey, and one of the things that I needed while I was out here is a hotel, and so I just booked one of the cheapest places I could find, which was this place called My Place. Now it's My Place, and I wasn't expecting much, just something like an Econo Lodge, but went inside, settled into my room, and I was actually really impressed with the quality and value of the room. So let's check it out. All right, so I'm in the room here, and basically what I want to show you is I'm actually pretty impressed with this place. I wasn't actually going to show this to you because I just kind of figured it was like a lower end discount hotel. It wasn't that expensive, but this My Place hotel is pretty nice, and I guess they're a chain. So first of all, everything is kind of industrial, right? It kind of reminds me a little bit of like the Home 2 by Hilton, the finish here, but it's nice, and this place is pretty new. Now we have a full fridge here, and in fact, what they said is they don't have ice makers on each floor, which is pretty typical for hotels, but you do have an ice maker here if you want it. You just have to turn it on. Like I said, this is as big of a fridge as someone was probably going to have in their home, which is actually bigger than the Home 2 ones as well. They also have these locks here, which are pretty modern locks. Now, I do have a key card to get in here, but my thought was I bet there might be an app because these seem to be the Bluetooth locks. So I wasn't able to use that, but it definitely is, it's kind of set up to be able to do that. And what you can see here is it's kind of set up like an extended stay. We have a microwave, we have cupboards here. There's a toaster in there. I don't see any dishware or anything, but plenty of places to store stuff. We do have a cooktop, which is actually pretty interesting. A coffee maker, a sink, paper towels, and then down here, again, just a lot of empty space, plenty of space to put stuff. There's a bottle opener right there, so you don't have to miss out on boozing out on anything. And then we just have some more drawers. I'm maybe a little surprised that there isn't like some dishware in here, but not a big deal. It's kind of pretty interesting. We do have a full-length mirror on the door here, so you can get dressed. And there's that guy. He's always with me in my hotel rooms. Hey, you got a hairdryer, wall mounted, kind of like a pretty typical powder room sink, toilet, towels, kind of a modern shower curtain that kind of bows out. You have a cloth shower curtain here. I do like the tile. I mean, this whole mud area here is a tile. We have kind of a industrial garbage bag can there. Then we have, kind of reminds me of like a McDonald's table, this like Formica top, 2 chairs, so you can sit here and work. We'll chalk that up to being like the desk in most hotel rooms. You have a data and voice port and plenty of outlets there. And then we also have a corkboard TV here, looks like a 42-incher, and then dresser, again, all that same type of pressboard furniture. I have a full-size bed here on this one. And again, what I actually like is they've got a pretty big chair here for sitting, lounging, watching TV. So, especially as I'm traveling alone, it's got everything that I need. I really thought because of kind of the price point on this, it was going to be pretty simplistic. So I'm actually pretty impressed with it. Even in fact that there's an outlet here on the lamp so I can plug in my phone, use that as my alarm clock, make sure that it's charged. And then like, I guess Jamie is cleaning my room, which is nice. Alarm clock, outlets, and then with USB ports right there, the phone. And then you've got your furnace air conditioner. And then we have a closet here without a curtain, but you can have your ironing board, your rack for your luggage. And then right here, because I'm in Colorado Springs, Colorado, we get a nice view of the mountains. So, and one of the things that's kind of cool from the window here, you can see the actual Air Force Academy. So it's right over there across the highway. You can see that the iconic chapel with the spires, and then the Air Force Academy over there, and you can actually see what appears to be like a B-52 down there on the entrance road to the academy. So pretty cool. In fact, all the way over here, if you look, you can see that big tan colored rock. That's actually part of the academy too. I think it's actually like a campsite or something like that. So pretty cool. You can see that right from here. That is pretty awesome. Pretty nice area. And like I said, overall, I'm just surprised at the upside. Otherwise, I really wouldn't even have shown this to you. So check it out. If you want to stay at a place like My Place Hotels, it says America's newest hotel. I think pretty good value overall. Check it out. Link in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.